Given a is greater than 0 and n is a positive integer, which expression below is equivalent to 10a to the negative n divided by 2? First off, this a is greater than 0 is just giving us information about what our domain needs to be for a, and it doesn't really impact the problem. Noticing the exponents we have here, there's a negative. When we have x to the negative power, we'll say negative a. This is 1 over x to the a. So I know my answer has to show division. So it has to be one of these two answers. Looking at the rest of the exponent, we have n divided by 2. When we have a variable to a fractional exponent, we know that the numerator tells us the power and the denominator tells us the root. So here we have 10a to the negative n over 2, which gives us 1 over, the root is 2, so that's a square root of 10a to the n power. If we look at our choices, that n power is inside the radical. It could go either inside or outside. So 3 is our answer. The next thing we need to do is explain what's wrong with the other answers. Looking at the first choice, there is no fraction or 1 over the expression. The second choice has the same reason. There is no fraction, and the power and root are switched. Looking at the last choice, this does have the fraction, but the power and root are switched. So to abbreviate this, I'm going to write power and root are switched.